Even if it continues, it is taken as a split because those were the live members, elected members sitting in the assembly. That is the meaning. Neither we have a law regarding parties. There is no clear cut. Nor we have conventions. In other democracies like England and all, conventions have developed over centuries on all this functioning of parties and all that. We don't have such conventions. So we need a law. Here if you leave things to conventions, you know what is happening.
So there's nothing
Tomorrow
wrong with
legislature party can defy main parties'
Very much.
directives.
Very much. It comes to that. It comes to that. Unless you have a law regulating the functioning of parties, office bearers, elections, authority and all that. Once a person is elected, he can do what he wants almost.
Filed by Indian National Congress and Maharashtra Governmental Party, wherein we had challenged the order of the Speaker, wherein he had dismissed our disqualification petition, saying that all these 12 MLAs had not incurred disqualification. The Honorable High Court today was pleased to dismiss our petition, thereby upholding the order of the Speaker.
So, पुढे किती करतले डिसिजन घेतला अपील करपाचे
We have to still read the order. Only the judgment has been pronounced saying that the petition has been dismissed. We'll have to read. But anyways, this is something which we feel that we will be going to the Supreme Court and challenging the judgment of the Honorable High Court. Basically because we feel that this virtually leads to a situation where the existence of the political party in the democratic system is being questioned. So that being the case, I think we will be going to the Supreme Court and challenging this order in the Supreme Court.
What exactly said in the pronouncement?
Basically, the only pronouncement done was there were 8 issues framed by the Honorable High Court. All of them have been answered against the petitioner, and therefore the petitions have been dismissed. Beyond that, we'll have to read the order, what exactly is there in the order. Only thereafter we will be able to comment on that.
10 schedule clear आहे नो पार्टी आणि लेजिस्लेचर स्प्लिटाचेर
According to us, it is absolutely clear that for a valid merger under the 10th schedule, 2 twin requirements are there. That firstly, there should be a merger of the political party, and thereafter 2/3 of the members have to agree to that merger. What the other side had agreed, and I think which is the view upheld by the Honorable High Court, is that if 2/3 of the members of the legislature party agree or they decide to merge, they by themselves can initiate a merger process and complete it, which to our understanding was not the correct position, but now the High Court has taken a view that it is permissible. So obviously that's the view of the High Court. We are bound by it, but obviously we are thinking of challenging it in the Supreme Court because this is going to be something which is questioning the role of political party itself in the entire democratic process, because it's virtually that 2/3 of the members will take some decision and the political party will virtually have no say at all in this entire process.
This order has implication across the country?
It is something which will be cited as a precedent across the country. Obviously, yes, there is earlier one judgment of full bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. As of Bombay High Court, there was no judgment directly on the 10th schedule, but there was a judgment in the context of one municipal law, which is basically modelled on 10th schedule, wherein the full bench of this Honorable High Court, this Bombay High Court itself, had taken a view that for a valid merger, both the things are required. That is the merger of the political party as well as the agreement of the 2/3 of the legislature party. That was the view of the full bench. We had cited that before the High Court. Even then the court has taken a different view. Obviously there must be reason for that, which we will come to know only once we read the judgment.
आमचे पिटिशन डिसमिस करून ती is on unexpected lines, and we are going to challenge it with Supreme Court because the very existence of political parties is in the question, and the politics that is taking place all over country today, it will encourage the kind of politics of Narendra Modi government at center. With the use of money, they can change the mandate of the people. So this actually order goes against the existence of political parties and existence of democratic values. So it is setting a bad precedence in the country, where after the elections, few MLAs can come together and take a decision, irrespective of what political party which has nominated them as a candidate, with which this candidate got elected with the party's programs, party's manifesto, party's agenda, and symbol. Irrespective of that, the few MLAs will join together. They may take money from the party in power and can break away. So this is going to set a bad precedence, not only for the Congress party, but all the political parties across country. And we definitely needs to challenge it at the Supreme Court. Clear जातलें जाल्यार ही ऑर्डर आमकां चॅलेंज करपा पडटली आनी एक क्लियर मॅन्डेट म्हाका दिसता सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडल्यान घेवचो पडटलो की एक्झॅक्टली 10th शेड्यूल इज टू एनकरेज द डिफेक्शन, इज टू एनकरेज द मर्जर, or it is to prevent that the Honorable Supreme Court will have to make it clear the very intent of this 10th schedule. आमी आमच्या एक म्हणजे पयली म्हणजे डिटेल ऑर्डर पळोवपा पडटली आनी आमी ऑलरेडी आमच्या एडवोकेट अभिजिता कडेन आमी डिस्कस केल्लें आसा, आमच्या हायर अप्सां कडेन ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केल्लें आसा की हें फक्त हांगा फक्त गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचेंच क्वेश्चन आसना, वा आख्ख्या देशाच्या सगळे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचो एक्झिस्टन्साचो क्वेश्चन आसता. म्हणजे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी फक्त नॉमिनेट करपाक कॅन्डिडेटांक इतलेच पुरती उरतली काय आनी तेजे नंतर जे इलेक्ट जाल्ले MLA जाय ते आपल्याक डिसिजन घेवन लोकांचो जो मॅन्डेट आसा तो ओव्हरटर्न करपाचे प्रयत्न जातलो काय. सो हेचो क्वेश्चन आसा.
You said that this will encourage defections in the future. So are you worried about the upcoming results?
See, we are not worried about the 10th what is happening on the 10th. Although we know that although the Honorable High Court has dismissed this our petition, we are confident then people of Goa are going to disqualify them on the 10th of this March.
Story by William Rodriguez for Herald TV.